So basically data types are used for two main reasons. First one is what type of data we want to store, and second one is how much memory is required to store the data. Data types are classified into three types. First one is primitive data types, also called as fundamental data types or primary data types. Second one, derived data types, and third one, user defined data types. In this session we will discuss only first type, that is primitive data types. It is again divided into four types. First one, integer, which is written as int. Second one, floating point, which is written as float. Third one, that is character, which is written as char. And fourth one is void. All these types are called primitive data types. So here integer is used to store whole number. Floating point are used to store numbers which include fractional part in numbers. Character is used to store alphabets, and void is used to store nothing. Again, all these four types are divided into subtypes. So first one is integer. It is divided into three types. First one is short, second one is integer, and third one is long. Again, these three types are subdivided. In that, first one, that is short, is divided into two types. First one is signed short and second one is unsigned short. Then second one, that is integer. It is divided into two types. First one is signed integer and second one is unsigned integer. Then third one, that is long, is divided into two types. First one is signed integer and second one is unsigned long. So here sign value means which includes both positive values and negative values, whereas unsigned is used to store only positive values. All these integer types are save only whole numbers. That means you can save only numbers which don't have fractional part. For example, you can save 78 in integer, but the value 56.8 can't be saved in integer data type. So why we require these many types, even though all the integer types only save whole numbers? The thing is that depend on the value, whether it is small or large, we can choose the integer type from list of types. So all these integer types are divided into based on the size, which is measured in terms of bytes. So here short integer takes 2 bytes to store data. Whether it is signed or unsigned, it takes 2 bytes. Integer takes 2 bytes or 4 bytes. Whether it is signed or unsigned, it takes 2 bytes or 4 bytes. Log integer takes 4 bytes to store data. Whether it is signed or unsigned, it takes 4 bytes. So second one is float. Float is used to store fractional number, that is numbers which include point number. It is divided into 3 types. First one is float, second one is double, and third one is long double. Again here also depend on how much space required to save data, float is divided. So float data type occupies 4 bytes of space, double takes 8 bytes, and long double takes 10 bytes. So third one is character. It is divided into 2 types. First one is signed character and second one is unsigned character. And both signed and unsigned character takes 1 byte to store character type. Fourth one is void. Void type has no values, so basically it does not return any value.